Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong. I know.
What is up, guys? We're back at it again with another video. So today we're gonna do a little bit of work on the EM2. Randy just stepped out to go get some goodies. Tiff's outside. Our little bro's outside. And what I think we're gonna do today is we're finally gonna attempt to do the bumper cut on this. We're gonna do the bumper cut, and then we're also gonna do the rear diffusers that I have from right here. They're the D1 generation diffusers. I'm gonna put that on eBay. Then also, I got these little goodies that's just been sitting around. Supreme seat belt, whatever they're called, covers. So I'll throw these on too. I wanted to do the bumper quick releases on the back of these too, but I don't know where I put them at the moment. So what we're gonna do now is take off the rear bumper and get that started. Alright, so we got both the headlights off. I'm taking out that little rear lip. That's kind of where I'm going to cut it at, right there. And then the diffusers, I think I'm going to put it right there. We'll measure that with the tape and get to that in a couple. Alright guys, so we got the rear lip off. Do that again, do it again. Pose. He's about to try and mount that on the EF. But the rear lip is off. This shit looks like a toothless fucking, I don't even know what. But right there on that same line that it has is where we're gonna cut. So let's just get straight into it. I'm gonna grab the cutting wheel and start cutting. Alright, so I got the saws already. Randy's gonna come and help me with this shit.
I ain't helping you with shit.
God damn.
No.
Alright, so we're just gonna cut it like literally on the same line.
Hold on, wait. Oh, she's gonna help you out right here. I know you're ready to cut, baby. I know.
Like butter, baby.
I told you that shit's like them turkey carvers. Told you. Y'all dangerous ass people want to use them fucking grinder wheels that are gonna break off and hit you in the neck. Treyway.
I have to paint that soon.
That with this?
Yeah.
You gonna keep that?
I should just take it off, right?
No, you should leave that on. Let's just paint it. Man, this is a race car, son. What the hell? This thing got a big ass snorkel coming out of the front of it.
I don't know about that yet.
Yeah. Sponsored. That's one way of getting it done. Wepa! Race car, Poppy! Yo, look at how much more room you have now to tow hook your car. So every time it breaks down, you know what I'm saying? It's easier and easier.
Keep the vans though, they still clean.
Shit's just fresh as shit.
You think you're faded? You think you made it? I get it.
It's high good.
Poppy, quick release. Alright, now quick release is stuck.
Milwaukee. Yo, shout out to Milwaukee. They need to sponsor us, son.
We need a sponsor, bro.
At least that, like some batteries.
And if not, fuck you. I want Snap One. Snap-on sponsors us. So what if you guys are overpriced?
Shit. I don't even want them giving me shit for free.
Sponsor.
Well, you need a new sponsor. You need a new sponsor.
Cha-cha.
Oh my god.
What the fuck?
That's a mystery boat.
Yo!
Son.
Bro, I'm about to just give up on this. I think I need to get a new bumper before I do this.
I think you need to fucking put this shit up on Craigslist for a G. Son. They put a screw to hold the bumper on and then bondoed over it.
Shit!
I wouldn't call it shit, but I definitely say that whoever owned it before you
Fucking prick.
You did hook it up though.
You're a fucking prick!
took the money that he got, the check that he got from the insurance company, and did the shit in his backyard. Well, it's looking better already. All we gotta do now is take the rims and suspension off of it and call Chuck and Eddie's. This is how all builds start out, man.
You gotta come from shit to make your shit poppin', bro.
You gotta come from shit to make your shit more shit.
That's how it goes.
But it's your shit.
It's my shit.
So,
You touch my shit, I kill you.
I ain't gonna touch
kill
your
you
shit.
right
I'm scared to touch your shit. Motherfucking car might fucking fall apart if I touch it.
Let's do this.
Yo, do you have full coverage on this thing?
No, I do not.
Maybe you should look into getting some.
Alright guys, so we took out the rear bash bar. It already looks way better than what the fuck it looked like 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, I told you.
You're right. Because I did the same thing to my EG, but this actually, I don't know, this looks cleaner than my EG. Fuck it, I'll run it like that.
You just
Psych me!
handed diffusers from zip ties. That'd be totally different.
Put the diffusers right there on the metal here. Call it a day. What we're gonna do now is clean up the cut because it looks kind of shitty right now, and then get to actually making the holes for the diffusers. Right? Right? Right.
Miguel hard at work.
If you need your bumper cuts, call 1-800-SCRAPE-GANG.
And a razor blade. There you go, there you go. Hands of razor.
So many years of playing with Bondo. You get these bad boys right here.
Or breathing in Bondo, one or the other.
Or, yeah, you get fucked up lungs or you get good grip. One of the two.
Alright, you have a rivet gun, right?
What?
Or a rivet gun, right?
I was just gonna put self-tappers in that bitch, call it a day.
These are only made for rivets only.
What the fuck are you talking about?
You're gonna lose horsepower if you do that, son. Make sure you slide it. You gotta slide it. And then you push them, right? Don't worry about the rust. That helps it. Right? And then you do it like this.
It looks way better.
You goddamn right it looks better. Why? Because it's been scrape gang. Look at that shit, son.
Yeah, that shit looks dope. Alright, so we just eyeballed the shit. We didn't even care. It's looking pretty good. It's decent.
Now we're putting in aircraft grade fasteners.
Yep, yep. It's race car stuff that you guys don't know about. You'll get there one day.
One day.
This one, I gotta fix this one. This one's kind of crooked.
Just a little bit. There we go.
It feels kind of lazy.
Weight reduction. Yo, that shit looks wavy with just one.
I'm telling you, we should put some muffler tips coming out of that thing.
Nigga, why you? That low key looks kind of tough though. Randy's work at its finest. We're almost done, son, and it's looking good. Right?
At Scrape Gang, we only use top grade A quality tools to make sure that your bumper diffusers are grade A.
Ding!
Yo, ran out of juice right at the end.
Alright guys, so this is our progress for today, and it looks pretty damn good being eyeballed. Check that out. Looks really, really good. It's a little off on the edges a little, but you can barely even notice it. But I'll clean it up once I actually paint the bumper and everything. It's kind of half-assed right now with the screws that are holding it up and shit. But definitely, that was a good idea that Randy said to take out the bash bar because it looks way better now. Let's take this bitch out.
You got a tail light out, bro.
This side?
It's already on.
The FOE to FLOOP.
Side skirts off, yo.
Call 1-800-Chuck-and-Eddie. Fucking with you, bro. It looks good.
Where did I put my flag?
It looks good.
Hell yeah. We looking good. We looking gorgeous out here. Looking really good right now. Hell yeah.
Naked eye.
And again, I fucking lost another tire because it decided to fucking pop because I got a nail in it. But pretty soon she'll get painted, she'll get a new exhaust, new hood, and hopefully a wrap soon. Just the hood and the fenders are getting wrapped. And leave a comment at the bottom if you think what kind of wrap I'm gonna do on just the bumper, on just the hood and the fenders. But I think that's it for today's video. I think we achieved, it looks good, right? Definitely looks good. So catch you guys on the next one. Keep watching, like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll continue to pump out more content for you. Peace.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy, won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you